What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Here we are. We're actually up 3,700, and you know, it was a pretty crazy day, I'm not gonna lie. First of all, please excuse me for looking crazy right now. You know, I've been running around recording. I'm in LA right now. Had a collab with Hales, as you probably may. It won't be uploaded by the time this gets uploaded, but in a couple days you'll see it. And you know, I've just been getting some content, recording, and handling a lot of business on this trip. More of a business trip more than anything else here. But you know, very rare day for TOS to, you know, shut down here. You know, I haven't had a TOS issue like this one in a very long time. I would say months. You know, I can't even remember if I've had an issue just like this. But you know, it's all over the news. I'll throw it up here anywhere, but you could search it up. TD Ameritrade crashed today, and thousands of users were reporting desktop issues. So I do have live trading footage. It's so ugly, but I'll throw it in at the end of the video. So at the beginning of the video, I'll explain why I got into the you know, the trades, and you know, what exactly happened and all that good stuff. So as you can see, I'm up 3,700 for the day, a little over that. And here we are, Tesla up $184. So let's talk about it. Tesla, you know, you can't stop this. This is a monster. But a few things. So the first thing is technicals. It had a few things behind this. So we had technicals. We were looking for a breakout here. All-time highs were 1790, you know, 4-ish, and that broke through. From 1794, we got all the way up to 1845. But even before that, we were kind of stuck in this 1680 level. We kept getting rejected around 1683, 1684, and as you can see, you know, pre-market will get high, but we cannot hold when market opens every time Tesla gets to that level. Right? You'll see it'll wick here, it'll wick here, and we finally broke out today with a lot of volume. Excuse me. And not only did we have technicals on our side for Tesla, we also had some fundamentals. So I'll explain. So when you have news, a catalyst that'll push it, it had a few things. So let's talk about the first thing. Let me show you the upgrade. So much right here. So the first one, Wedbush lifts price target on neutral rated Tesla to $1,900 from $1,800. You know, a stock that's a momentum stock, or known as a momentum stock, that likes to run on days where it gets news, and it gets something like this after it's actually been pushing these past few days, past 5 days, is gonna love to run. Not only did we get that, we also got China car registration hit 11,623 units in July. So we had 3 different things work in our favor here. So we had technicals, you know, that catalyst where they got upgraded, and then we had another catalyst where we had July numbers for China registration for their, you know, their cars. So as far as the actual day went, I was waiting for that 1680 to break, right? So if it broke on the first candle, I usually do not play the first candle of the day. That is very aggressive, very risky. But I know, you know, where I stand when it comes to Tesla. The problem is, by the time I looked at this, you'll see in the video, my brother has to tell me, yo, Tesla made a new high. I'm like, what is he talking about? My screen, my chart froze at 1683. I'm like, yo, what's going on? He's like, new high. So I hop on my phone, I get in the contracts. I already knew what contracts I was looking at, got into those contracts, and then boom, I ended up not wanting to hold for too long. I saw it rip past 1700. I ended up getting out in this candle right here, this 16, you know, what time was this? 9:34 a.m. Eastern time, even though I'm in LA. And I would have definitely held above 1700 at least for the beginning half of the day, just to flip those premiums, because that's what I usually do. And I just didn't want to take the chance, especially I'm on live trading video. I wanted to make sure I come out green, you know, because I want to show that what I do when I'm not live trading and when I'm posting my profits, I can do when I'm live trading. So you'll see a lot of people, you know, post thousands of dollars of profits, and you ask them to live trade, and then they're only making $250. Wait, how come you're making, you know what I mean? So I had to make sure I came out with the same amount that I usually would, or it would just look a little weird. Plus, TD Ameritrade was down, so I shouldn't even have taken that trade in the first place. And for me to even come out green is kind of absurd. But I definitely would have played a bunch of breakouts. This thing had a beautiful, beautiful day. So if you didn't play Tesla, you missed out. And if you have TD Ameritrade, you definitely missed out. Towards the end of the day, it did get a little choppy, but it was just a slow grind higher. So, you know, few reasons why I played Tesla, few reasons why it rallied, but you also had the live trading video. But I'll throw a summary into end. If you want to check out the full video, wait for, you know, actually, am I even gonna have that? I think I'm not gonna have the face cam. Andrew will have it because the video won't come out till next week. But I have the actual screen recording. So if you want the full video with the face cam, the screen recording, make sure you actually, you know, set alerts for Andrew Hales' video coming out, and you'll see it. So that's today's video. That's how I made $3,700, even under extreme circumstances where TD Ameritrade wasn't even working, and I had to go on my phone and, you know, pull the trigger here. So if you guys enjoyed that video, I'm actually going to start recording a whole bunch of live videos. I actually like it. You know, it was slow, but I'm pretty sure it was slow just because TD Ameritrade was down, obviously. So I had to think about it. I was like, I'm not even going to do it. But now that I see, you know, how cool it is to just live trade and record instead of recording I like the summaries because I can think and talk about it. What I want to do collectively on this channel is live trade and then make a video after the market closes and talk about what I could have done better in the live trade, and kind of like a reaction video. You know what I mean? And I feel like that would help a lot of people go through the thought process behind my trades, how I'm thinking, how quick I'm thinking, and what mistakes that I could have fixed, or what, you know, positives I could have even made better, and, you know, a whole bunch of educational purposes to that type of video. So I can't wait to show you guys that, and make sure you check out the description below, because on a daily basis I'm either posting my profits or my losses on my trading account. So I have my actual account and then my trading account. So if you guys enjoyed that video, you know, actually just keep watching. You'll see the live trading video and see what I'm talking about here. All right, I'm grabbing the 1700 calls here. I think it's because wow, this is so laggy. All right, grab the 1700 calls, guys. I got in at 1690. Obviously, it's always whenever comfortable. I'm up nicely. This is a lag. I filled on my phone. I'm up nicely, up 4%. Here we are.